welcome back to my channel. I have a simple DIY for you for the holiday. This could be a holiday display, or you could just have this around your house any day during the year. It doesn't have to be the holiday. It depends on your style. Anyway, these are the items that you will need. The bag of rocks from Dollartree. I have some Mod Podge, and you could pick this up in Dollartree too. They have a smaller one for $1. So if you want it to be exclusively Dollartree items, they have the rocks. Oops. They have this bag of rocks. They have foam brushes and a Mod Podge. They also sell these markers. I have a gold one and a silver one, and this is just my little dish to put my stuff in. But I went ahead already and prepped most of it. What I did is take the all you need is to take one rock. They are different sizes. Some of them are broken, so like that one I wouldn't put in there, or this one, but like this one is fine. And what I do, let me show you what I did. I take one, and you could write whatever you want on them. The purpose of mine is to have, for when my guests come over, they could take one with them for the holiday season and beyond. So what I do is, you could take the gold, this one is gold, and you could write something. What I did, you could just write joy. This one is small, so I'll write joy since it's the holiday season. My handwriting is not the best, but anyway, this is what I do. And then I'll put it aside to dry. I already wrote on all of these, and I put them, they're already dry. They're permanent markers. What I'm going to do is, because I need them to be a little bit shine, I am going to use the Mod Podge to go over it. So I have peace, I have faith. That's another one that say peace. You use, yeah, so that says peace. I have these little ones. I just put some hearts on them. I have joy, love, faith. So basically I have love, joy, faith, peace, and the heart sign. And I am going to put some Mod Podge on it, and then I'll just have them be sitting in this dish. When my guests come over on their way out, they could take one. So this would be a nice little parting gift if you have a little party. So let me get my Mod Podge and just put some on, just to make it shiny. Okay? Don't forget to spread love this season and every other season. So let's get started. I have a silver one and a gold one, so whichever one you want to use, guys, you can write with it. Let me just put this here, and I'll take the Mod Podge and just cover the whole thing. It's going to dry clear, so just do the back side and the front, just to give it a nice little sheen, make it pop. When it's all dried, I'll show you guys if